If you are a man over 50, you've probably started to notice the difference. You wake up slower, your workouts feel heavier, your motivation doesn't hit quite the same. Many men assume it's just part of aging. But what if the problem isn't time at all? What if it's something in the daily diet that's quietly lowering testosterone and draining energy every single day? Today's topic might surprise you. It's fruit. Yes, fruit. The food everyone has been told is healthy, but when it comes to hormones, not all fruits are created equal. Decades of research and clinical experience have shown that testosterone levels are shaped not only by age or exercise, but also by what we eat, especially the kinds of fruit and sugar consumed daily after 50. Some fruits are described by health experts as hormonal kryptonite. They trigger blood sugar spikes and inflammation that quietly sabotage testosterone production. But the good news is that other fruits do the exact opposite. They help the body rebuild testosterone naturally, lower stress hormones, and keep energy levels steady throughout the day. In this presentation, viewers will discover the 4 fruits to limit and the 4 powerful, nutrient-rich options that can reignite hormones, restore drive, and help men feel strong and confident again. Let's start with the fruits that silently destroy testosterone. They look healthy, but for men over 50, they can do more harm than good. Section 1. The 4 fruits that suppress testosterone. 1. Bananas. Bananas have long been marketed as the perfect snack. They're convenient, portable, and full of potassium. But for the average man over 50, especially if there's a bit of extra weight around the belly or lower energy levels, bananas can be a hidden trap. A large banana contains up to 30 grams of sugar, the equivalent of a small dessert in one bite. When eaten alone, it causes blood sugar to spike rapidly, forcing the pancreas to release insulin. When insulin stays high too often, the body begins to move toward insulin resistance, one of the main metabolic pathways that suppress testosterone. Research has repeatedly shown that men with higher insulin resistance tend to have lower total testosterone and higher estrogen levels. The body starts converting testosterone into fat and estrogen through an enzyme called aromatase, especially in belly fat tissue. This doesn't mean bananas must be avoided completely. They can still be enjoyed strategically. Choosing smaller, slightly green bananas with more resistant starch and less sugar is better, and pairing them with a healthy fat like walnuts or nut butter slows sugar absorption and protects hormonal balance. 2. Dried fruits, raisins, dates, figs, and apricots sound like healthy natural snacks, but when fruit is dried, the water is removed and the sugar becomes highly concentrated. A small handful of dried dates can contain as much sugar as an entire can of soda. Because they're soft and easy to chew, it's incredibly easy to overeat sometimes 40 or 50 grams of sugar before realizing it. That's equivalent to spooning 10 teaspoons of sugar straight into the bloodstream. This flood of sugar triggers insulin spikes and inflammation is one of testosterone's biggest enemies. When chronic inflammation sets in, the body redirects its focus from hormone production to blood sugar control and oxidative stress management. Over time, this stress dulls insulin sensitivity, making it even harder to keep hormones balanced and energy steady. For those who crave something sweet, fresh fruit is always the smarter choice. The natural sugar is much easier on the body when combined with water and fiber, both of which slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar. Pairing fresh fruit with nuts or seeds provides healthy fats and protein, softening the sugar response and helping the body stay in a balanced, testosterone-friendly state. 3. Soy-based snacks. Soy isn't technically a fruit, but it's included here because many people treat edamame, soy protein bars, and soy shakes as healthy plant-based snacks. The issue lies in isoflavones, also known as phytoestrogens, plant compounds that can mimic estrogen in the body. While research on soy is mixed, consistent evidence shows that long-term high-volume soy intake, especially in men whose testosterone is already declining with age, can gradually tilt hormonal balance in the wrong direction. That shift happens quietly, affecting the ratio of testosterone to estrogen and over time can lead to lower energy, reduced strength, and increased belly fat. To minimize the risk, soy should be limited, and if included, it should come in fermented forms such as tempeh, miso, or natto. Fermentation changes the structure of isoflavones, making them less likely to interfere with testosterone function. It's best to skip processed soy snacks and shakes that often contain added sugar, artificial flavoring, and refined oils, all of which add more inflammation. Healthier plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, or nuts provide similar benefits without hormonal confusion. 4. Grapes and grape juice. Grapes are often seen as harmless, small, juicy, and full of antioxidants said to protect the heart. But for men over 50, grapes can be a hidden problem, especially when eaten in large amounts or consumed as juice. The main issue is fructose, the natural sugar found in fruit. When consumed in excess, especially without fiber, fructose causes sharp insulin spikes and promotes fat storage. Just one glass of commercial grape juice can contain 10 teaspoons of sugar. That sudden surge of insulin tells the body to store fat, and much of that fat accumulates around the abdomen. Belly fat increases the activity of aromatase, the enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen, leading to lower testosterone and reduced vitality. Over time, this creates a vicious cycle: more belly fat, less testosterone, and a slower metabolism. If grapes are enjoyed, they should be eaten in moderation and always with the skin on, where most antioxidants like resveratrol are found. Resveratrol supports circulation and reduces inflammation, but grape juice should be avoided entirely. For a better option, replace juice with infused water, add slices of citrus or a few fresh berries. It provides flavor and antioxidants without the sugar overload that drains testosterone. Now that the harmful fruits are clear, let's turn to the good news, the fruits that naturally support testosterone production and help rebuild energy and strength from within. Section 2. The 4 fruits that rebuild testosterone naturally. 1. Pomegranate. For centuries, pomegranate has symbolized vitality, fertility, and strength, and science confirms why. Studies show that consuming pure pomegranate juice can increase testosterone levels, improve circulation, and reduce oxidative stress. Antioxidants such as polyphenols and punicolations protect cells from damage and lower cortisol, the stress hormone that suppresses testosterone. When cortisol remains high, testosterone drops. But when cortisol is managed, testosterone naturally rises, restoring strength and balance. A few ounces of unsweetened pomegranate juice a few times a week can make a measurable difference. Eating the seeds whole offers even greater benefits, thanks to fiber that slows sugar absorption and keeps blood sugar stable. Pairing pomegranate with a healthy fat like almonds or avocado enhances antioxidant absorption and supports hormone rebuilding. 2. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruit. Citrus fruits are more than immune boosters. They're loaded with vitamin C, bioflavonoids, and natural compounds that support hormonal balance. Vitamin C reduces cortisol, supports nitric oxide production for better circulation, and enhances iron absorption, all essential for maintaining stamina and testosterone. Healthy blood flow benefits every system, not just the heart. It ensures oxygen delivery to muscles, the brain, and the reproductive system, the foundation of male vitality. Eating the whole fruit rather than drinking the juice provides fiber that stabilizes blood sugar. Using citrus zest in meals adds more antioxidants and essential oils that promote better circulation and reduce oxidative stress. These small daily habits compound over time to protect hormones naturally. 3. Avocado. Avocado is technically a fruit and one of the most powerful allies for hormonal health. Rich in monounsaturated fats, magnesium, and B vitamins, it provides the raw materials the body needs to produce testosterone. Magnesium plays a key role by freeing up testosterone bound to SHBG, or sex hormone binding globulin, allowing more free testosterone to circulate, the form that drives strength, motivation, and libido. Eating a quarter to half an avocado daily helps maintain steady blood sugar and supports both heart and brain health. Pairing avocado with foods rich in vitamin C, such as tomatoes or citrus, further enhances absorption, making it even more effective for hormonal balance and energy. 4. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Small but mighty, berries are packed with antioxidants and flavonoids that protect testosterone-producing cells. Compounds such as quercetin, anthocyanins, and resveratrol reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in Leydig cells, supporting healthy hormone production. Berries also improve circulation and protect the vascular system, maintaining strong and stable blood flow vital for performance and endurance. Their low glycemic load prevents insulin spikes, making them one of the safest fruits for daily consumption. A handful of mixed berries each day in yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal delivers a wide range of antioxidants that work together to boost recovery and preserve hormonal resilience. Hormones don't decline overnight. They respond to what you do and what you eat day after day. Section 3. Lifestyle, Mindset, and Final Message. Every meal is either helping hormones or hurting them. Each bite sends a message to the body. Produce more testosterone or shut it down. You don't have to give up fruit, just choose wisely. Replace high-sugar fruits like bananas and grapes with nutrient-rich options like avocados, pomegranates, and berries. Small choices made consistently create lasting transformation. Real change doesn't happen overnight, it happens through simple, smart decisions repeated daily. Imagine waking up with more strength, sharper focus, and renewed drive not because of a supplement, but because you've learned to work with your body instead of against it. That's the power of mindful nutrition and hormonal awareness. The body remembers how to be strong. It just needs the right fuel to return to balance. If this message resonates with you, share it with a friend who might need it. And in the comments, mention which fruit surprised you the most, the ones that quietly destroy testosterone, or the ones that naturally rebuild it. Remember, health is not defined by age, but by choices. Every meal can move you closer to strength or further from it. Choose foods that build energy, support hormones, and bring back confidence. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more clear, science-backed health guidance made for men and women over 50. Turn on the notification bell every 2 days. New insights are shared to help you live stronger, wiser, and with greater vitality. Stay consistent, stay mindful, and keep building the better version of yourself, one meal, one habit, and one thoughtful choice at a time. Because growing older doesn't mean slowing down, it means living smarter and better.